If a tornado comes out, it's coming out right there.
Yes,
right there.
Mitchell Bass Lake is canceled for tonight. They will fish again next Tuesday. Once again, Mitchell Bass Lake canceled for tonight. Girls softball 18 and under and 12 and under have been canceled.
Vernon, the sirens are just sounding because of this thing right here.
It's dropping.
Shut up. A little fuck.
It's dropping.
It is. Right there. That little, we got a tornado.
We got a funnel cloud. It looks like a funnel cloud.
That thing is fucking, that's a tornado.
Oh, it's a tornado. Oh my God.
Our first tornado!
Oh.
Woo! We got a tornado.
I told you it was dangerous.
Oh
I told you it was.
God.
Oh my God.
I've never seen one of these fuckers. Holy shit. Get away. Is it coming at us?
No, it's moving northeast.
Today's Point of Law is brought to you
Mom.
by Taylor and Miss Simmons Law Firm.
Margaret Ames was a widow with a small income. She bought a state lottery ticket
Holy
almost
shit.
every week, hoping to hit a big
Our
Don't.
first tornado.
$2.
Trying to call my parents.
That's a.
It's not really. It's still a funnel cloud.
That is a tornado.
It's not. Oh, now it's hitting the ground.
What are you talking about? Why, that old mine of yours in best
Get
place
the hell
in
out of there, you
Father
fucking
made a
retard.
claim on years ago? With all those bulldozers and scrapers.
Immediately here as
I don't think people are gonna be driving around.
The northeast, fairly slowly, I'm guessing maybe about 10 miles per hour. But again, Doug, we did see a tornado funnel cloud that was reaching to the ground, but 5-6 miles to the west of
I told if you. I told you just
I
listen.
can't get a hold of fucking anyone.
Studios, but I believe we'll get some warnings coming in.
Yes, we do. Tornado warning for Davidson County and southeastern South Dakota. Right here, tornado warning for Davidson County. Debbie?
Okay.
This is a tornado warning. This is not a test. Repeating, this is a tornado warning from the KMIT Weather Center.
High Country KMI, CMers and Big J along with you. Once again, tornado warning in
It's
effect for
spinning really
Davidson
hard
County.
again.
And
It might come down again.
It's gonna miss Mitchell, won't it?
It looks like it's going almost straight north, but it's starting to come back down again.
Go.
No.
Get a better camera straight.
No, it's a good camera. How do you zoom in and out of this thing?
Don't
immediately.
like
If
that.
you have a tornado warning in
Okay,
effect.
back up.
You just want to back
Yeah.
Oh, my mom's gonna think we're fucking.
Yeah, it's starting to come back down.
Did you tell your mom?
I told her we're behind it and it's moving away from us.
Go a little bit more up so we can.
Okay, yes, it's coming back
Tornado
down.
Mount Vernon. Let me get it. Holy shit. Holy shit, man. Yeah, I got it. Wait, is this fucking hit Mount Vernon?
No, it looks like it might be slightly north.
Holy shit, Mount Vernon's gonna fucking get hit. Is Zach here?
I'll call him.
You can't call anyone, the towers are down. Shit, man, it's switched again. It's going to Mount Vernon. No debris though, right? It's like, what the fuck is it doing? God, I don't see any debris though. We're okay, man, we're okay. Our first fucking tornado, bitch.
I told you something huge is gonna happen tonight. I felt it all day.
What the? It was going fucking this way now.
Don't worry, we're fine.
There's no, I know, I'm just saying, that's fucking weird. I see no one to.
It's about ready to come back down again.
Is that kid fucking retard or what?
Oh my god, is it hot out?
Let's go out. Let's get closer so we can see debris. It's fucking in Mount Vernon though.
No, it's not. Oh, look at it. You can just film it from here. Wow, I knew something big was gonna happen, and it did.
Where's my phone at?
I don't know.
Fuck, that's getting lower. Holy shit, that's hitting Mount Vernon.
That is huge.
Let's drive by Zach's house, see if he's there.
He's not, he's just...
Oh my god, let's get it.
Dude, I can't tape, I'm shaking too much.
Let's get closer.
No.
Holy shit.
Maybe just a little bit northeast of Mount Vernon and continuing to move off to the north and northeast. It has lost a little bit of its definition that it had before. I mean, it was certainly a tight funnel cloud when we saw it just to the north of Interstate 90. Starting to lose its definition, but there actually now is another formation of clouds that looks a little bit to the east of the one that appears to be on the ground at the present.
Where's another funnel cloud?
Here, you guys, and I will check back in you with a couple.
This is so fucking awesome.
A little bit closer and get an exact location, but best estimate about 6-7 miles northeast of Mount Vernon. Guys, we'll put it back to you.
Right there, where he's on.
Davis County Emergency Management Director. Quick action to save lives during a severe thunderstorm or tornado. If you are in your home or business, go to a storm shelter or to your...
Do you ever think we'd really see one?
Such as a heavy paper.
You can't call anyone.
Neither is available.
Can you shut my windshield wipers off? Steve, I'm moving.
Let's go closer.
Yeah.
What?
Yeah. Steve, take this.
We gotta drive through that, get closer to it, see all the damage it did. There's a cop.
That's a storm. Got a lot of state license.
He has a light on. Holy shit, this is fucking spinning good. Keep going, man. Oh my god, look at that.
Look at there's leaves falling down around here. Oh my god.
We're in the debris field. Hey, do you think that's gonna do anything? So take shelter. Our phones are down, so don't worry if you can't hold us by. Look at that fucker.
Oh, look at the rope tornado. Film it up to the cloud. It looks like it might be dying.
This tornado is?
Maybe a little bit.
Starts all the way up there and goes down.
Dude, we might have to head back towards Mitchell. There might be another one coming down over there.
Shit, man, that's gonna suck.
Wow.